This is Tim here from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your app icon on your Android phone. You can see I changed this screen recorder icon to a picture of me. So this is actually very easy to do. All you need to do is go on over to the Google Play Store and find this and open it up. And you need to get this app. It's called Icon Changer. Just go to search and search for Icon Changer right here and open this up. And this is the one I'm using. Icon Changer Customize Icon. Install this and open this up. Now this does contain ads, and a lot of these free apps are very annoying. So you can customize your icon, just pick which one. So you got Google Chrome, the clock, contacts, etc. So let's go to one of these. Let's go to maybe Facebook here and just tap this. Now you got simple icons you can use. You got photos, apps, third party, I don't know what that means, advanced. So a lot of times I just change the photos one, so I just go to photos and then I'll just use a photo off my phone. So let's go to this photo right here and tap this, align it wherever you want it, and then go to the check mark, and you should be able to change it over. So I can go to OK now. You can see it's up there, and this will be my new icon for Facebook. So just mess around with it and you will get these ads. Just mute it right here and then press this button on the top left, and after like 2 or 3 seconds you should be able to bypass that and then go to add, and then this has been created successfully. So it should be on my home screen now. So you can see Facebook right here. It's my face. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.